Do you want to make your Facebook account private? We'll guide you through how to make your Facebook account private in 2026 full guide. Open Facebook. In Facebook, go to the three-line menu, choose Settings and Privacy. Then go to Settings. In Settings, pick Privacy Checkup. First, click on Who can see what you share and press Continue. Now follow these settings one by one for the best privacy. Set your phone number to only me. Set your email address to only me. Set your birthday to only me. Set your hometown to only me. Set your relationship status to only me. Set your Who can see your friend list to only me. Set your Who can see the people and pages you follow to only me. Next, adjust your audience settings for posts and stories. Set Who can see your future posts to friends or only me, depending on who you want to see them. Set Who can see your stories to friends or custom. Use Limit past posts or only me to control old posts. Set Who can see your reels to friends or only me. Tap Next. Set Who can see posts you're tagged in to only me. Set when you're tagged in a post who can see it to only me. Then tap Next. Use blocking for any unwanted people. Next, select Review another topic. Next step, choose how people can find you on Facebook. Tap Continue. Set friend requests to friends of friends. Tap Next. Set people with your email address to only me. Set people with your phone number to only me. Then tap Next. Turn search engines outside Facebook off. Next, select Review another topic. For next setup, tap on your data settings on Facebook. Tap Continue. Remove any unknown or unused apps from apps and websites. Then go to Next. Next again. Select Review another topic. For second last setup, select How to keep your account secure. Check all options for security like passkeys, passwords, and login alerts. Make sure they have green ticks. And that's it. Your Facebook account is now private and secure. Any problems? Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.